Hello everyone, welcome to Sri Sahang High Voltage YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see various previous junior engineer examination objective bits. First one is, in a power transformer, the breather is provided in order to A. Filter transformer oil, B. Prevent ingress of moisture with air, C. Provide oxygen to the oil, D. Provide fresh air to increase cooling effect. Here explanation is, function of breather is to extract moisture from air going into the conservator. It is a small container filled with silica gel. So here answer is B. Prevent ingress of moisture with air. Next one is, world's first geothermal electric power plant is located at New Zealand, Italy, California, none of the above. Here answer is Italy. Next one is, KVAr is equal to A. KVA into cos pi, B. KW into sin pi, C. KW into cos pi, D. KW into tan pi. Here explanation is given by formulas. KVAr is equal to KVA into sin pi, KW is equal to KVA into cos pi, KVAr is equal to KVA into tan pi. So answer is D. KW into tan pi. Next question is, the inductance of a transmission line is minimum when dash. A. GMD is high, B. GMR is high, C. GMD and GMR are high, D. GMD is low and GMR is high. Here answer is D. GMD is low and GMR is high. Next one is, which of the following relationship is not valid for short transmission line? A. AD minus BC is equal to 1, B. B is equal to Z is equal to C, C. A is equal to D is equal to 1, D. None of the above. Here explanation is, A, B, C and D are constant and A, D are dimensionless and B and C are respectively in ohm and Siemens. A is equal to D, AD minus BC is equal to 1. So in this, here answer is B. Next one is, the surge impedance of a 400 km long overhead transmission line is 400 ohm. For a 200 km length of the same line, the surge impedance will be A. 200 ohm, B. 800 ohm, C. 400 ohm, D. 100 ohm. Here explanation is, surge impedance does not change with transmission line length. So here answer is C. 400 ohm. Next one is, which of the following statement is incorrect? A. Resistance is a passive element, B. Inductor is a passive element, C. Current source is an active element, D. Voltage source is a passive element. Here explanation is, active elements are voltage and current source, transformer, transistor and diodes. Here passive elements are resistance, inductance and capacitance. So here answer is D. Voltage source is a passive element. This is the incorrect. Next one is, in a three-phase 5 kVA 5 MVA system, what is the base impedance? A. 5 ohm, B. 50 ohm, C. 500 ohm, D. 0.2 ohm. Here explanation is, base impedance is equal to kV square divided by MVA. So here answer is 5 ohm. Next one is, two transformers when operating in parallel will share the load depending upon which of the following? A. Magnetizing current, B. Leakage reactance, C. Per unit impedance, D. Efficiency. Your answer is C. Per unit impedances. Next one is, a 2 kVA transformer has iron loss of 150 watt and full load copper loss of 250 watt. The maximum efficiency of transformer would occur when the total loss is A. 500 watt, B. 300 watt, C. 400 watt, D. 275 watt. Here explanation is variable losses become equal to constant losses when the efficiency is maximum. Thus, maximum efficiency of this transformer total loss is equal to 150 into 2. So, answer is 300 watt. Next one is, which semiconductor power device out of the following is not a current trigger device? A. Thyristor, B. GTO, C. Triac, D. MOSFET. Here explanation is current triggered devices are Thyristor, GTO, Triac, and voltage triggered devices are only MOSFET in this option. So here answer is D. MOSFET. Next one is, in a transformer, zero voltage regulation at full load is A. Possible at leading power factor load, B. Possible at lagging power factor load, C. Possible at unity power factor, D. Not possible. Your answer is A. Possible at leading power factor load, whereas maximum voltage regulation occurs at lagging power factor. So next one is, which distribution system is more reliable? A. Ringman system, B. Tree system, C. Radial system, D. All equally reliable. Here answer is A. Ringman system. Next one is, power factor is the highest in case of A. Sodium vapor lamp, B. Mercury vapor lamp, C. Incandescent lamp, D. None of the above. Here answer is C. Incandescent lamp. Next one is, number of slip rings in a three-phase synchronous motor will be A. 0, B. 1, C. 2, D. 3 or 4. Your answer is C. 2. Next one is, starting torque of a synchronous motor is A. Very low, B. 0, C. Very high, D. Half of full load. Here answer is B. 0. Next one is, the crawling in the induction motor is caused by A. Improper design of a machine, B. High loads, C. Harmonics in the system, D. Low voltage. Your answer is C. Harmonics in the system. Next one is very important. Two wattmeters are used to measure power in a balanced three-phase supply with balanced load. If the readings of both wattmeters are positive and equal, the power factor of the load is A. 0.8 lag, B. 1, C. 0.8 lead, D. 0.5 lag. Your answer is B. 1. Next one is, shunt reactors are needed A. to boost receiving end voltage under light loads, B. to boost receiving end voltage under heavy loads, C. to reduce receiving end voltage under heavy loads, D. to reduce receiving end voltage light loads. Your explanation is, shunt reactors absorb the reactive power during light load condition, which reduces receiving end voltage under light load. So here answer is D. to reduce receiving end voltage under light loads. Next one is, bundled conductors are mainly used in transmission line to A. reduce transmission losses, B. increase mechanical strength, C. reduce corona, D. reduce sag. Here explanation is, two or more standard conductors are used per phase. The advantage of the bundle conductors are to reduce the reactance of the line and reduce the corona loss. So here answer is C. reduce corona. Next one is, the transmission line distance protection relay having the property of being inherently directional relay is A. Mho relay, B. impedance relay, C. ohm relay, D. reactance relay. Here answer is A. Mho relay. And whereas reactance and impedance relays are does not inherently directional properties. Thank you for watching. Please like, share to your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, then you will not miss my video notification.